Watch out, Shane up! Watch out! No, sir! Guys, we really have to respect the farmers, you understand me? And pay them what they're worth. Hi guys, welcome back to another wonderful video. So this morning we're in the cool hilly areas of St. Andrew, Jamaica. So guys, it's potato reaping day and we're actually ready now to go to the farm where my sister planted her potato. I went over there with her some months ago and now the potato is ready to reap. So guys, I want to know if you stick and stay with me today because we're going to reap the potato and show no our healed. Anyways, some of the farmers group members might just come and help her today. So guys, stick and stay and watch out for that. All right. In the meantime, guys, I want you to like up the videos, share them out with your friend, tell a friend to tell a next friend. Turn on your notification that when I drop a video, you will be notified. So guys, stay tuned. How old is the egg right so? Oh. So guys, we are going down the hill. Listen to me. Going down the hill is easy. Coming up, that we have to worry about. So that's my mom there. And we're going through the coffee farm. Boy guys, the last time I come down here, I'm not telling a lie. Feel like 10 somebody beat me. Or 100. 10 to a little bit. It was terrible. But anyway, she needed help for reap the potatoes, so we'll do what we can do. So that's my cousin Diane down there. Say morning to the people, Diane.
Good morning. And a small turnover. Sorry about that. But banana down here right up. Where is it? Look there. Okay.
You can find good banana out of that, Diane?
Yeah, man, on the ground.
Let me see. Look at that, guys. The banana ripe and most of it rot. Oh my goodness. You take up more?
Take up more. You want banana?
Maybe one or two, I don't know.
Alright, then I will do food.
Alright. Go on, Diane. And my turn over too. My knee, we're not so good.
The first one I cook down all the time.
Mommy, thank you for making them step here, yeah?
Yes, I do.
So guys, we almost reached the farm. So we'll take our time, go over. Morning, Auntie Cherry. How are you? Yes, guys. I'm finally at the farm. Jesus. All me need them hurt me.
Me near kill me when I come up the coffee. Nearly most men go down from my face.
Really? Actually, we get old in Miss Cherry.
We who?
We?
You know when
Yeah, we
him?
know.
You know when him, sir?
So guys, some of the potato here.
When we determine.
So we have all of the crocus bag them ready. My mom over here saw dig. Hi my sister, morning to you.
Morning.
You see me tell her about the amateur. What your name?
Amateur? We have in your farm? Yeah. You have to bring amateur at your farm. Well, I am back. People, I am back. This time,
Usually
me not take me...
already.
Where?
They usually mother would reach already, but because of you and your amateurish business. She just come.
Guys, me not listen to she, you know. Alright, potato them look nice though.
Early, where they produce?
Since the day so early, what are they producing then?
Me there to go back and pick some lemon.
Because me
Make juice
they
later.
both me business and look.
And then come down.
I mean about big carrying no machine.
Oh, so my stick there. Diana, get your stick already? Antonina, my stick there.
I was going to provide some.
No, she said when the workers going to work. Bring your one tool.
Yeah, but you never tell me. You never tell nobody what to bring on the farm.
On a hand for potato.
If you know, maybe we little fork and
never get to go on the
Alright, before we go any further, there are seasoned potato reapers here and there's amateurs. Please do not injure my potatoes. Alright?
What do you mean by that?
Stick them with anything. Alright? I want their accidents.
Yes.
So you're telling the amateurs to be careful on the farm?
Yeah.
Maybe stick with
Lord Jesus. Oh boy.
Alright, me go play mango.
Then that means I'm here, the amateur then.
Me tell you.
I'm telling you. So therefore me go to the mango tree, go sit down and look. No.
Alright guys, we're gonna get started now because time is far spent. So stick and stay and rain might fall, so we're gonna get going. Here. So guys, this is my actually my third potato, and look at this one. Quite big. Look at this, guys. Big and nice.
Big and nice, yeah?
Big and nice. So I'm gonna check on here so now if you see any more. This is actually fun, and it is fun because the sun is not out now. I don't know if when the sun come out, if me gonna manage. I don't want to manage, but boy, I can't manage the sun.
See if I manage with the sun?
Oh, so one more year, guys. So one more year.
Yeah. I mean, no for run.
This is nice. And this look like a tutu, you know. Yeah.
What's the cooking?
Look how much we get, guys. Look at that. Nice Irish. So make her dig it so much, mommy?
We're making ground.
Oh.
When she finish, she can come plant something.
Okay.
And not because you see me digging like this,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not tackling myself. Yeah, I'm using skill,
Mm-hmm.
not strength.
Okay. Some words of wisdom there. This is how we roll.
Look here, no fine.
I don't carry a container, right? They put in the potato. But now come on my field. I mean, so now bring not put in the potato. You know, see the basket and the bag them.
The bucket there.
So guys, they're gonna reap the potato and root up all of them grass here. You see that? As far as your eye can see. So we're gonna try to finish this today.
I'm going to you.
Guys, this is the bit we did. This is how far we reach now. We are going good. When you put hands and hearts together, this is what you accomplished. Let me show you from a different angle where we reach now. So this is what it looks like. We're going good, guys. And you know what we're thankful for? The sun is not out now. So guys, it's break time now, according to my mom. So we'll get some mango to eat. So she climbed the tree right now. Mine is up off a tree, no Desiree. Oh. Watch out. Be careful.
I never use so much strength.
Desiree, let me tell you what you do. Go on up on the tree and shake it. Make you pick them up.
So when you get them, I mean I get them.
Then go and mix up with those that down there already.
Oh.
Right around.
Man, you're slipping now.
You slip, you slide.
Yeah.
Yeah, raining mangoes. You don't know? Shake it. Yeah, shake it. Watch out. I can't come down. Watch out, she hang up. Watch out. No, sir. Oh, David. Me can't bother. Oh, sir. So guys, we're heading up the top because we're gonna put on a pot to cook some food. Oh God, because we can't work and eat. Guys, if you don't hear me sound away, I'm extremely tired. Oh God. So we're actually carrying up some potatoes. You see that, guys? We have no choice. This is how we have to carry it up the hill. Oh God. Well, 12 up on me now.
Hey, what kind of tree this? Lemon tree?
I think tangerine.
Come. Come, sister, come. Alright, guys. Yeah, tell you. This is no easy class. Ooh. You see why farmers have to be respected? Because the fact of the matter is, you get the seeds, you carry it down the hill, you plant it, and in between planting, you have to weed, you have to give it
Spray it.
necessary nutrients, you have to spray it. Listen to me. And in between the potato growing, you know that you have grass and bush that will come up in it, so you have to weed it again. Then, when it's ready, you have to go back down the hill again, or wherever your farm is, because not everybody have farm on the hill. And you have to go again. You have to reap, you have to put it on your head. Some people are fortunate enough to be on a flat land, so maybe they can use their vehicles and stuff, but other small farmers really and truly have to do it this way. So guys, we really have to respect the farmers, you understand me, and pay them what they're worth. See? So stick and stay.
Wow, guys. No, look at this. Everything is finished. Guys, you did a good job today.
Thank you.
This is so fantastic though. This is so fantastic. So what's the stagger plant just now?
Maybe some peas, red peas.
Wow. It is so nice. Look at that, guys.
Me have so much love.
Isn't this fantastic? I'm going to show you from my next angle what it really looks like. Oh God, guys, this is so wonderful. Look at that.
All of them are one eye.
For that, it's only handbag. They can't tie that thing.
Mommy, you can carry that?
Let tight. I want to clap now. You let that work.
What you gonna do with that? That way already?
Yeah, go ahead.
So guys, some of the potatoes were damaged. Guess why? We didn't transport them in the containers that they should. These onion bags, they damaged most of the potatoes. So I'm going to show you what to transport your potatoes in, as well as what they look like after they were damaged. So this is one of the containers that is ideal to transport your potatoes. And guys, look at these potatoes, how they were damaged. So guys, we have come to the end of another wonderful video. We got a good day today because the sun didn't come out much. But now we're actually finished and they're carrying up the potatoes. You know, they maybe carried halfway and then somebody has come from the top and comfort because guys, the journey not easy. So the rain have come down now, so we're gonna go home now. We're gonna eat some food and then go home. So until another time, guys, take care of yourself. If you see me look tired, I'm tired. Because as I said before, farming not easy. You understand me? So until another time, bye.